Find more questions and study at your own pace on our website. The link will be in the description. Let's get started. Question 1. What will happen if you configure the logging trap debug command on a router? Option A. It causes the router to send messages with lower severity levels to the syslog server. Option B. It causes the router to send all messages with the severity levels, warning, error, critical, and emergency to the syslog server. Option C. It causes the router to send all messages to the syslog server. Option D. It causes the router to stop sending all messages to the syslog server. The logging trap debug command sets the logging level to debug, which includes all severity levels from 0 to 7. Therefore, configuring the logging trap debug command on a router will cause it to send all messages to the syslog server. Question 2. What causes a port to be placed in the ERR disabled state? Option A. Shutdown command issued on the port. Option B. Port security violation. Option C. Nothing plugged into the port. Option D. Latency. A port is placed in the ERR or disabled state due to a port security violation. When port security is configured on a switch port and a security violation occurs, such as an unauthorized MAC address being detected, the port can be placed into the ERR disabled state to protect the network. This state effectively shuts down the port until the issue is resolved and the port is manually re-enabled. Question 3. What is the default port security behavior on a trunk link? Option A. It places the port in the error disabled state if it learns more than one MAC address. Option B. It causes a network loop when a violation occurs. Option C. It disables the native VLAN configuration as soon as port security is enabled. Option D. It places the port in the error disabled state after 10 MAC addresses are statically configured. The default port security behavior on a trunk link is to place the port in the ERR disabled state if it learns more than one MAC address. By default, port security allows only one MAC address, and if more than one MAC address is detected, the port is put into the ERR disabled state to prevent potential security issues. Question 4. What is a practice that protects a network from VLAN hopping attacks? Option A. Implement port security on internet-facing VLANs. Option B. Enable dynamic ARP inspection. Option C. Assign all access ports to VLANs other than the native VLAN. Option D. Configure an ACL to prevent traffic from changing VLANs. To prevent VLAN hopping attacks, assigning all access ports to VLANs other than the native VLAN is an effective method. This eliminates the possibility of an attacker exploiting the native VLAN to send tagged frames that can traverse VLANs. Question 5. What is a characteristic of encryption in wireless networks? Option A. Provides increased protection against spyware. Option B. Uses policies to prevent unauthorized users. Option C. Converts electrical current to radio waves. Option D. Prevents the interception of data as it transits a network. A characteristic of encryption in wireless networks is that it prevents the interception of data as it transits a network. Encryption transforms readable data into a coded format, which can only be deciphered by authorized users possessing the correct decryption key. This ensures that even if data is intercepted, it cannot be read or used by unauthorized parties. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to check out our website where you can find more questions for this exam. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching and good luck on your exams.